What's up, guys? Kayo po ay maglalaro ng Clash Royale. Kasi gusto ko lang makapag-rank up. Giveaway to win player. Nakuha ko lang to sa may chest. Yung Mega Knight na pinakita ko sa inyo. So that's why dito ko nakuha yung Mega Knight sa chest na to. Sa kaka-strike ko lang dun sa may mismong card, nakakuha ko ng Mega Knight. Yep. So, watch me play. And kapag nasa may Rascal Hideout na kayo, meron na kayo Mega Knight, try nyo yung deck ko. Tapos, this good. Wow, spam! Wow, spam! Wow. Okay, spam. Di man lang niya na-take down yung tower ko. Pag nakuha ko yung tower na yun, na yun. Oh my god! Wow! So, taas ko yung nag-take down ko na damage kahit nag-defend pa rin. Siguro lang talaga defend ko. Yo, kapag talaga ako natalo dito, crash out! Boss? Doon ko lang ba sa kabulan pa lang? Masadyang ganyan lang talaga. Kasi wala work itang kayo na ba? Wala akong building sa deck. Take the tower down, bro. Tapos abot dito yung abot. Bro, try to take down my tower but hindi ganun. Bro, couldn't take. Napakahina ako talaga sa English. 6, 7. Go. Oh, hell no, bro. Kaya nyo na yun. Hindi, dagdagan pa yung hits ko. Balikan ulit yung bago. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? Ano yun? Hindi, kaya ko yung pagbukamot yung ulit. Val! Yeah, no. That's how you defend. Pati yung ano na hindi naka-attack. Yeah, bro. Mega Knight. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I need to be humble. Yeah, bro. I need to be humble as fuck. Gagawin ko na lang puro na lang ako dito. Battle Ram. Tapos Mega Knight. Bad Mega Knight. Bad Mega Knight. Bro! He paid to win! He paid to win! Bro, he paid to win! Paid to win! Paano siya nagkaroon ng Evo? Inferno Dragon. How? Yeah, just copy this deck. Promise. Maganda talaga yung deck. Pay to win talaga siya. Ang weakness ng neto is just Valkyrie. Or Pekka. Mini Pekka. Oh my god. Oh! Wrong placement! Wrong placement, bro. That's wrong placement, bro. Yeah. Bulok na! What? What? Battle Ram. Bro. Dude. Good damage. Yes, we had a good damage. Yeah, my only weakness. My only weakness, bro. My only weakness. My only what the fuck? What the fuck is that, bro? What is that? What is that? Oh. Yeah, target damage. Yes, still counting. I still counting. I meant to say her, bro. I'm really bad at English. I know he counters me Mega Knight, but still I need to listen. Yo, wrong log. Yeah, I know I'm Mega Knight user, but I This is why I only use Mega Knight. Because there are other for this Mega Knight. Yeah, bro. I know this, bro. Mamaya mag-ano na siya, maglalabas na siya din ng... Bro. Yeah, bro, I'm just gonna cut this off. Please. Nah, I'm just joking. I'm not gonna cut this. I want to see if I win be losing or winning, bro. Yo, I'm gonna crash out again if I lose this. No, wrong one. Yeah, I'm gonna kill you. Bro, just be fast, bro. Just be fast. Just be fast. Yeah, that counters everything. Counter lahat yan ng firecraft. Bro, counter lahat yan ng fire... Look! 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 What did I just say? What did I just say? Mega Knight eh. Oh. Defend with Mega Knight. Quick shot the back. Yeah, this guy wins. Bro, he doesn't even try to defend the Mega Knight. Bro doesn't even try. Bro doesn't even try. Bro doesn't even try to defend Mega Knight. Yeah. Kapag may kapaglaro kayo sa mga Prince players, bro, the only thing that counters it is this. The log. Yeah, bro. Naka-counter na yun yung ano na. This guy even thinks. Okay, push. Okay, push. Push. Woo! Woo! Yo, no matter how I play it, I will still lose. That's how you play. Mega Knight is the MVP of the day. Yeah. Tagal ko nang kanina pa ako naglalaro. Tapos lagi ko na lang ginagamit yung Mega Knight pang attack. Ay pang attack, pang defend. Now I know how to use Mega Knight. Use him to everything. Nah, just joking. Yeah, bro. I do not need that shit. Okay. Yeah, this deck is off, bro. This deck is just for the Electro Valley, bro. This deck is just here, bro. Yung deck na to, eto. Pero kung wala pa kayong Mega Knight, palitan nyo yung Mega Knight sa Pekka. Okay? Kasi this is the best deck in Electro Valley. Yeah. This carried me to Electro Valley, bro. Para makalis lang ako sa may Electro Valley. Bro, ito yung ginamit ko. So, para sa cycle mo, itong skeletons, at saka sa pang-defend. Tapos yung Electro Wizard and Electro Dragon, just supports. Kasi, kaya yung Electro Wizard tapos E-Dragon ay magsusupport lang. Kasi, yung Electro Dragon ay nagsistun at tsaka pwede na rin isolo yung Skarmy. Yep, bro. Kapag meron kang Prince, ilangan mo kasama niya dapat yung Valkyrie kasi hindi ka kaagad kaya ng ng E-Dragon yung patayin agad yung mga skeletons na yun. Kasi 3 lang ata ang pwede nyo tamaan gamit yung electricity niya. At or predict nyo na lang gamit yung arrows. Tapos kaya ako merong Electro Wizard para sa Sparky players, bro. Lagi na lang sila nagpe-pay to win para magkaroon ng Sparky. Like, bro, bakit? Sparky counters everything in this deck except for Electro Wizard. That's why you need to protect him at all costs. Yeah, kapag nasa may kayo, Rascal's Hideout, this deck is good for you. Yeah, bro. Ang weakness lang talaga nito is just the P.E.K.K.A, bro. Mini P.E.K.K.A. Kasi naka-counter niya yung Battle Ram. So, kung paano ganito yung ilaban. So, yung Dark Goggins, tapos yung Firecracker, Cycle, Defense. Hindi siya pang-attack, pang-defend lang siya. Tapos yung Valkyrie din. Pang-attack din minsan, tapos pang-defend. Kasi he got a great HP and can splash damage. And the Goblin Barrel, Battle Ram, tapos Witch, best combo. Ilagay mo na sa may pinakang likod yung Witch. Siyempre makakapag-spawn na siya ng maraming skeletons. So, that will help the Barbarian a lot. Okay. Kasi kapag nasira na yung Ram, merong 2 Barbarians. Tapos matutulungan pa nung Witch, mga skeletons na yung matutulungan niya pa yung Battle Ram para makasira ng tower. Tapos yung Goblin Barrel is just good at everything, bro. Battle Ram, Goblin Barrel, Valkyrie, Goblin Barrel. Everything Goblin Barrel, bro. You need Goblin Barrel. And Mega Knight for defending and for attacking, bro. Like, look at this. Napakadami niyan. Oh, boss! Ganon kaganda pang defend ang Mega Knight sa mga Skarmies. Para din siyang Valkyrie. Nagdudo ng splash damage. Pero, mas mataas na yung health. Ang counter lang dito is Inferno, tapos P.E.K.K.A. Itong na to, pretty much counters everything. Like, Barbarians. Mega Knight in the middle, the Barbarians. Except for flying troops. So that's how you play. And yeah, bro, when I Miner is not good, bro. Like those, bro, like he's doing 1 HP. for every attack. 1 damage per attack, bro. I don't know when I did this deck. I just know that I did this on 10 Hog Mountain. I don't know, bro. Or Electro Valley. I always win with Barbarians Electro Valley, bro. I always win with that deck. With the Barbarians on it. Just look at it, bro. It's level 11, bro. Yeah, that's all my decks. At malapit na mga pala ako mag-level up. Kaya nagdo-donate na lang ako ng mga kasi naman maglalabas ng card request dito. Gaya na ito, nag-donate na ako dyan. Nag-donate din ako. Wait, bakit ako nag-donate dyan? Kailangan ko din ng Goblin Gang. So, ayun. Tapos kailangan ko, ang pinakakailangan nyo sa umpisa, sana makatulong din tong video na to kasi ibigyan ko rin kayo ng mga decks sa lahat ng mga arenas. Basta i-comment nyo na lang. Titingnan ko. Training ka sa may Arena 1, Bone Pit, Barbarian Bone, Spell Valley, Builder's Workshop, tapos Prekas Playhouse. Bro, yeah, yung Prekas Playhouse is just annoying. Wait, what? Saan mo na-unlock yung Inferno? Oh, dito sa may Spell Valley. So, yan, i-comment nyo na lang sa may baba. And, sasagutin ko. Tulungan ko kayo. Basta wag lang yung tataas sa may Rascal side out. Gaya na Serenity Peak, Miner's Mine, tapos Executioner's Kitchen, Royal, I don't know, di ko alam kung paano basahin, Silent Sanctuary, tapos Dragon's Back, tapos Training Camp, bawal yun. So, dito na lang ako nagtatapos. So, dito na ako nagtatapos. So, bye.